I'll just show you how to replace the battery in a 2011 Toyota Yaris remote key fob. What you need is one of these from Maplin's with a little Phillips head, and in there like so. Undo. I'm going to say try not to pull it all the way out, but I've failed miserably because I always struggle to get them back in. And change to this end. Be very careful when you're doing this because it is easy to slip and just hold like so, apply a little bit of pressure, screwdriver in and just flick that open. But be careful that you don't put the screwdriver in your hand, which is easy enough to do. Flip open. It's a little complete container in there. Basically go around like so. As I say, be very careful not to end up sticking the screwdriver in your hand. Take the back off. Find out where this lever's out, which way. That's where the main contact is, so you just flick up from this end. There you go, that comes out. It locates under those two bits of plastic there, but it's a CR 2016. Goes back in the same way with the rounded bit down with the plus and the battery label on the back. Clip under those two plastic bits, push that way, and then we need to put this waterproofing cover back on like so. Locate in there, put it back in exactly the reverse way. Actually, I'll put that in there first and then put this on, snap that back on. Use the correct end. And always remember to make sure your hand's not at the back when you're pressing on any of these screws or trying to get anything open. It's quite tight screwing that screw back in. So as I say, make sure your hand's not on the other side of that and you can't slip. So that's how to do that.